Have you ever wondered how to peek into the messages sent to Kafka? It can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to view the last few messages for a given topic in Kafka. I totally get it. Trying to troubleshoot or analyze data in Kafka without being able to see the messages can be really frustrating. You're not alone in this. Many developers face the same challenge. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Is there any way I can view the message content sent to Kafka for a given topic? Can I see the last 5 messages?" This is a common scenario, and it's definitely possible. Let's explore how. So, why would you want to view messages in Kafka? Understanding the content of messages can help with debugging, monitoring, and ensuring that your data pipeline is functioning correctly. Let's break down how to do this effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can make working with Kafka even easier. To view the last 5 messages sent to a Kafka topic, the user should start by ensuring they have the Kafka command line tools installed. This is essential for accessing the messages. Next, the user needs to open a terminal and navigate to the Kafka installation directory. This is where the command line tools are located. Now the user can use the Kafka console consumer to read messages from the topic. They should run a command that specifies the topic name and the number of messages to display. Finally, the user should check the output in the terminal. This will display the last 5 messages from the specified Kafka topic. Fun fact, Kafka was named after the famous writer Franz Kafka, known for his surreal and complex narratives. Just like Kafka's stories, understanding your data can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using Kafka Magic. It's a free tool that allows you to write complex queries in JavaScript, referencing message properties and metadata. It also supports Avro serialization. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative approach to view Kafka messages is to use the Kafka consumer tool. You can run a command that connects to your Kafka broker and specifies the topic you want to view. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution to view Kafka messages is to use AKHQ. This tool allows you to check the message content for a specific topic easily. The user mentions that they are using AKHQ in their project called Nusnacker. You can also see it in action on their demo page. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. One user suggests a method for viewing Kafka messages from a Windows machine. They recommend using the Kafka console consumer command to access messages from a specific topic. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach to view Kafka messages is suggested by another user. They recommend ensuring you're in the home directory and using a specific command to consume messages from a topic. Here's a pro tip. If you frequently need to check messages, consider creating a script that automates this process. It can save you time and make your workflow smoother. And there you have it. You now know how to view the last 5 messages in Kafka. Remember, understanding your data is key to effective troubleshooting. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and don't miss out on our next video.